Okay. Good morning, all of you. Please write the next question. Right. Question number 3, I think, correct? Last class I have taught you 2 questions. This is question number 3, correct? Right. A bullet of mass 10 gram. A bullet of mass 10 gram. A bullet of mass 10 gram moving with a velocity of velocity of 400 meter per second. How much? 400 meter per
400 meter per second.
Gets embedded in a embedded means stuck like that. Go and will insert. Understand? Gets embedded in a freely moved, gets embedded in a freely suspended wooden block, wooden block of mass 900 grams of mass 900 grams, wooden block of mass 900 grams. What is the velocity acquired by the block? What is the velocity acquired by the block? This is what the question. So try to understand, all of you. Read the question carefully. First write it and read the question. Later only you can solve it. Easily you can solve it. But you have to think a little bit more. That's first, observe very carefully, all of you. What they have given. First given data you tell me. Answer. Given. Tell me given.
Sir, bullet mass is equal to 10 gram.
Very carefully. A bullet of mass. I will try to write the question. Understand. A bullet of mass 10 grams. What is the mass? 10 grams. Moving
10
with
gram.
10 gram.
meter per second. So let's take now 15 years. So let us take the bullet which is having a mass of how much? Mass of how much?
400 meter per second.
400 meter per second.
400
grams and velocity is equals to 400 meter per second. Is it yes or no? So now just that's all. So definitely it is having some momentum. Correct or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now somebody is asking. So now let us comes to here. Observe very carefully. So now they are saying that till here any doubt you ask me. A bullet of mass 10 grams moving with a velocity of 400 meter per second gets embedded. What is the meaning of embedded means? Suppose you see this is the bullet is coming, gets embedded means it will stuck in my hand. It will be come and will embedded means it will be inside it will be stuck. Correct or not? Bullet. Do you understand? If I will fire
Yes,
it,
sir.
will stuck
Yes,
inside the wood like that. It will get embedded. Where it is embedded? It is embedded in freely suspended
Wooden block.
What is that? Freely suspended wooden block means somewhere I have kept a wooden block which has been ready to move. If bullet will come and will hit, it will start moving. Do you understanding, Ra?
Yes, sir.
You understand? So now that mass is given how much it is? 900 grams. Correct? So now, once
sir.
bullet will come and will hit. So bullet where it will go wrong? It will stay inside the wood or outside again. They are saying that?
Inside the wood.
Yeah,
Inside the wood.
embedded means it will go inside the wood. Means it will stuck inside the wood. Now, once this bullet is entering into this wood, so definitely the wood also will start moving some velocity. Definitely, correct or not? Because bullet will come and will hit this. Suppose
Sir.
someone will hit you. Definitely, you people will go a little bit. You move forward. Correct or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Same way here.
Yes, sir.
The wooden block is there, so freely suspended wooden block is there. Now bullet come and stuck inside. So stuck inside means, so along with the bullet now, wooden block also will travel some distance. Is it yes or no? So what
Yes,
is
sir.
the velocity of the wooden block they are asking? What is the velocity of the wooden block they are asking? So now you tell me, once the bullet is stuck inside, is it both the mass is considered or only a single mass we have to consider? Once the bullet is stuck inside, is it we have to consider both
mass.
or
Both
single
mass.
Tell me, Ra.
Both the mass.
Both the mass. A
Both
bullet
the
of
mass.
Observe very carefully. Initially, the bullet is going alone 10 grams and 400 meter per second. So please all of you calculate momentum in that case. First, in this case alone, you calculate momentum in this case. So in this case, what is the momentum? Please tell me. Momentum, what is the momentum? P1 is equals to, what is the momentum?
4,000.
We consider this is M1 and this is V1. Now, M1 into V1. Please tell me. Momentum of bullet.
Even.
4,000.
Momentum of bullet. Momentum of bullet M1 into V1. No, there is no,
V1.
you are not checking. This is grams and this is meter per second. How it will be? 4,000. You have to convert it. Mass. M1 is equals to 10 grams. So 10 grams means how much? 10 into 1 by 1000 kilograms. Do you understanding all of you? Mohanisha?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir.
What is that? 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 grams. From that, 1 gram is equals to how much? 1 by 1000 kilogram. That is what. So, what will happen? 0 will get cancelled. 1 by 100
Cancel.
kilogram. 1 by 100 means how much? 0.01 kilogram. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
So now, calculate now. P1 is equals to mass equals to 0.01 kilogram into velocity is equals to how much? Velocity is equals to
400.
meter per second. Correct or not? So which is equals to, please multiply and tell me which is equals to how much? Which is equals to how much, Ra?
4.
4. Or else just normally also you can take it. So you can keep this one as 4 kilogram meter per second. Let me assume this is the one. Do you understanding? Because we have to equate, correct? V2, V1. Now, let us all of you observe. Try to understand very carefully the question. They are saying that, let me imagine, I'm having my hand is my wood. My hand is my wood. Understanding? Now, I have fired a bullet. So, the bullet is having some momentum, definitely. The momentum we have calculated. How much it is? 4 kg meter
100
per
meter per second.
that or not? That is what the momentum we have calculated. Now, if the bullet is come and will hit means this wood. So it will stuck inside. So because of definitely the fast moving bullet will hit and it will stuck inside, definitely this wood is freely suspended, means it will ready to move. So that definitely it will travel along with the bullet, it will travel some distance. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
That is what they are asking. What is that velocity they are asking? What is that wood velocity once the bullet is stuck inside this they are asking. So now you please tell me, inside if it is stuck, so that the bullet mass is also included for the wooden block or not? Laksha, do you understand? That is what I am asking. Tamil Selvan. Is
Yes,
it
sir.
included or not? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So that is what you should understand. So we want to calculate once the bullet is embedded inside the wooden block, then what is the velocity gained by this? That is what we have to calculate. Now mass, you tell me, mass equals to how much? Mass, this is 10 grams and this is how much? 900 grams.
900 grams.
Total mass equals to how much? 10 grams plus 900 grams, which is equals to 910 grams. Correct or not? Because
Yes, sir.
mass is also included. Bullet mass is also included because bullet is stuck inside. It is not came outside. Do you understand? It is embedded. It is embedded. Embedded means it is stuck inside. Do you understanding, Ra?
Yes, sir.
What is the, they are asking you, see, what is the velocity acquired by the block? Block means wooden block. After embedding the bullet. Understand? So now, please tell me, how we need to calculate momentum P2 equals to momentum of wooden block. P2 is equals to what? M2
into V2.
V2. So now, P2 is equals to, M2 is equals to how much? 910 grams.
900.
We have to convert it into what?
Kilograms.
Kilograms again. So 910. 910 into 1 by 1000
1 by
kilograms.
1000.
Understanding? Which is equals to how
0
much?
with 0 cancel, sir.
0.910. Okay. 0.9. Okay, or you can get cancelled. 0 will get cancelled. So we'll get 0.91 kilogram. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes or no? That also not
Yes,
understand.
sir.
91 divided by 100 kilogram, which is equals to 0.91 kilogram. Is it okay, Monish?
Yes, sir.
This is what the mass. Mass is equals to 0.91 kilogram into velocity. We don't know. We want to calculate this one only. Correct or not? So let us
Yes, sir.
equation 2. Now, equate both equation 1 and 2. Equate equation 1 and 2. 1 and 2. What is that? P1 is equals to P2. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
P1 is equals to how much? 4 kilogram meter per second, which is equals to P2 equals to how much? 0.91 kilogram into V2. That's all. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, so here it is in multiplication. We want V2. Here it is in multiplication. Will come this side. What will become?
Division.
Division. So 4 kilogram meter per second divided by 0.91 kilogram. That's all. Kilogram will get cancelled, which is equals to V2. So please all of you do the division. 4 divided by 0.91. 4 divided by 0.91, which is equals to V2. How to do? That is you should remember. So 400. If you want to remove these 2 decimals, I can keep here 2 zeros. Is it correct or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
How many of you don't know? I don't know. 91. Because you can keep multiply with 100. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you can solve it now. 400 divided by 91, which is equals to V2. Please solve it and tell me fastly. How much it is? Array 400 contains how many 90s, Ra? Array 490 correct, man. That is also you cannot say.
Sir, 91 4 sir, 364, sir.
That is how much you solve it and tell me. How much you got? 4 point? What, Rani? So 91 fours are how much, Ra?
4.39.
Very good. So which is equals to 4.39 meter per second. That is the velocity acquired by the wooden block once the bullet is inserted. That's it. Do you understand, Ra? So V2 equals
Sir.
to 4.39 meter per second.
Yes, sir.
Please note it down.
Sir, please scroll up, sir.
Yeah. So 490 are 364. So how much?
360.
Equals to 36. Correct? So 36. I can keep 0. I can keep point here. So again, so 3s are how much, Ra? 3s are 273.
Sir, 273.
273 minus 364 equals again 91. So point is there 0. So 91 5s are 91 9s are 819. So it will go on, keep on going. So we can remove it. That's all. So again 91 come. That's all. 4.35. Do it.
Sir, up, sir.
Sorry, 4.39. 4.39 you can write it, or else you can write. So it is a second digit is 5 or greater than 5. You can borrow one thing for previous digit and we can end it. So you can write, or you can write Vt is equals to 4.4 meter per second, single digit. That's all. Do it. Okay, Laksha. Do it. Diagrams you have to draw. Diagrams, if you will understand, if you can easily solve. Do you understand the diagrams?
Yes, sir.
That is what you should do. So one freely suspended wooden block is there. Understanding. For that, bullet will go and will hit it. So that what is the velocity acquired by it, they are asking. So if bullet will come outside, no need to add mass. Bullet is embedded, means it will stuck inside. So that we are adding the mass of bullet also. Do you understanding?
Yes, sir.
That is. Solve it. Try to solve your own. Very simple. Write the question and solve it. Manya, you also write the question and solve it, Samaya. Completed means it will. Good morning, good morning. Write the question and solve. Completed. And solve. Brother say you solve, ra. Why copying? No copying. You try your own. You understand the question or not? You tell me. Mass, Elamukil, mass, whenever it is in grams, you have to convert it into kilogram. Everybody remember. Simply substituting not. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All units must
Okay,
be
sir.
same. Simply don't substitute. Exam, they will never give you direct. Remember, all units are similar. To test our knowledge, at least they will give you one unit is in different. We have to check the units first. As a physics student, first concern about the units. Either all the units are similar or not. That is, you should remember. Last statement you should write. Thus, the velocity acquired by wooden block, embedded bullet also must be. Embedded bullet is 4.4 meter per second. That's, you understanding? That is. If it is completed, please tell me. How much time? Elamukil, Pradosh, Laksha, Mavanesh, Tamil Selvan.
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
Now, similar question, I will give you one more question. Shall we do it?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Exactly the same question, values are little bit different, but you have to do it. Write it. If it is completed, you please tell me. Okay, first one question I will give you like a gun recoil velocity of a gun. Later the similar question I will give, or else the similar question we will solve it so that we can get understanding. So we'll go for later remaining questions. Okay, na? Write it now. A 10 grams of bullet. Can I say? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. A 10 grams of bullet. 10 grams of bullet, which is traveling 200 meter per second. 200 meter per second is embedded in a freely suspended wooden block of mass 2 kilogram. 2 kilogram. What is the velocity acquired by the wooden block? What is the velocity acquired by the wooden block after bullet embedded? Understand, Ra? It is suspended freely to move. That is what. Same question, values only changing. So let me see who will solve perfectly. So first given data. So let me, who will say? So observe very carefully. 10 grams they have given. 10 grams bullet, and here velocity is 200 meter per second. Next, wooden block is 2 kilogram, and bullet is coming and stucking inside, so that along with the bullet, the wooden block also will travel some distance. So what is that velocity of that wooden block once the bullet is hit? They are asking after hit and embedded inside. So please, same way, similar way it will come. Exactly same way. So again the same diagrams exactly you can draw here. So first, what will happen? Bullet alone. What is the bullet mass?
10
Solution.
gram.
You can see.
10
Solution.
gram.
So bullet.
10 gram.
You can take bullet. If we'll take bullet, so bullet is what? What is happening? Mass is equals to M1 is equals to 10 grams, and velocity
gram.
is equals to 200 meter per second.
200 meter per second.
It is coming at, it is somewhere wooden block is present. Wooden block is present, which is suspended freely. What is the mass? 2 kilogram. Correct? So now,
Yes, sir.
once the bullet is inserted inside the wooden block, then the mass of bullet is also included. Is it yes or no? So this is
Yes,
10,
sir.
this is 2 kilogram. So total mass is equals to M2 is equals to 2 kilogram plus 10 grams. Means we have to add it. We have to convert it into kilograms totally. And they are asking what is the velocity. That's all. Correct or not? Now, so as we know that momentum P1 is equals to what? Momentum of bullet. M1 into V. So what is that M1? Mass M1. M1 is equals to 10 grams they have given. Is it substituting directly? We cannot substitute directly. What we have to do? We have to
Converted.
converting into kilograms. So 10
Kilogram.
grams. How many kilograms? 10 into
1/1000.
1 by 1,000. 1 by 1,000.
1 by 1000 kilograms. So 0, 0 will get cancelled, which is equals to how much?
0.01.
0.01
01
kilogram. Very good.
kilogram.
Please all of you, which is equals to how much now? Momentum 1 is equals to 0.01 kilogram into velocity is how much? 200,
200.
200 meter per second.
which is equals to how much? 2 zeros are there. Before it is decimal and 2 zeros are there. So which is equals to how much?
2.
2 kilogram meter per second. Understanding, Manya, Laksha? Please respond. So this is what the momentum of bullet. Now, once the bullet is stuck inside the wooden block, so what is the momentum they are asking? So as you know, we have to convert it. So what is that momentum? Let us consider this is the equation 1. Understanding? And equation 2, what it is? Momentum P2 is equals to M2 into V2. So now what is M2? M2 is equals to what? 2 kilograms
2.10 kg.
10 grams.
2 kg, sir.
Plus 10 grams
Plus 2.
equals to how much? 2 kilograms plus 10 into 1 by 1000 grams. 1 by 1000 kilograms. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Sir, 0.01, sir.
So you have to add it. It equals to 2 kilograms plus this 0, 0 will get cancelled. 1 by 100 kilograms, which is equals to, slowly I am making, see how much, this much not required. So 0.01 kilogram. So now add it 0.01 kilogram. How you will add it? So 2.0
2.01, sir.
0.01. This is what the addition. So 1, 0,
2.01, sir.
2. So which is equals to, like a kid size,
2.01.
2.10 kg. This is what M2. So now, if you substitute in equation, what will come up? P2 is equals to 2.01 kilogram. Into,
Kilogram.
let us assume this is the equation 2. Correct or not?
V2.
Laksha,
Yes, sir.
you understanding any doubt? Please ask me. Yelamokel,
Yes, sir.
that is. So now, let us go with that. So if we go with that, what will happen? Substitute now, equate
Equation.
equation 1 and equation 2. Equate equation 1 and equation 2. What is that? P1 is equals to P2.
P2.
Now you see. So P1 is equals to what? We have got 2 kilogram
3 kilogram.
meter per second. Not 2
Second.
kilogram. 2 kilogram meter per
Sir,
second,
meter.
which is equals to kilogram into V2. So now,
V2, velocity.
so V2 we want. So here who is extra? This is. So which will come this side? What will happen?
Division.
Division.
So 2 kilogram meter per second divided by 2.01 kilogram. Kilogram will get cancelled, which is equals to V. Correct? So now, please verify all of you. So 2 is divided by 2.01. Understand? We have meter per second, which is equals to V2. So now, I will multiply with 100. Is it okay, Ra? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
I will say. So 200 divided by 201 meter per second, which is equals to V2. Please, all of you do the division. 201. 200. So which won't go? Correct or not? Which won't go? Correct or not, Rao?
Yes, sir.
Smaller. So what I will do? I will keep
0,
the
sir.
point
0.
and I will keep
Point and 0.
So now, please add it and tell me how much time. 0.2019 is 2019 is how much?
That's 1,809, sir.
So how much, Ra? So 1
1,809, sir.
into 9 is 1,000. 1,809. Very good. So now do it subtraction. 191. So that's all. So let it be. We have a point, I can give 0. So again 9 will come. So again 1809 will come. Correct or not? Yes or no?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's all. So 1910 minus 1809. It will comes again 101. So leave it, no issues. Which is equals how much? V2 equals to? V2 equals to 0.99 meter per second. That's all. So this is what. So the velocity acquired by the body, you can write 0.95, 99, 99, not 95, Pradosh. 99. Right, you can write. Thus, the velocity acquired by a freely suspended wooden block is 0.99 meter per second. That's all. Is it okay, all of you? Manya, Samya?
Yes, sir.
This is the question. All of you write again. Completed?
Sir, completed, sir.
Sir.
Manya, completed, Manya, Samya? Now the joining the Manya and Samya, is it completed?
Yes, sir.
Right, next question. All of you write. A 60-gram bullet, you have to draw the bullet also, that gun also. A 60-gram bullet fired from a 5 kg gun, a 60-gram bullet. Next question. Question number 5, correct?
Yes, sir.
60-gram bullet fired from a gun of mass 5 kilogram. 5 kilogram is traveling with a speed of 500 meter per second. 500 meter per second. Calculate the recoil velocity. Recoil velocity means boom, bullet or gun. Recoil velocity of
Gun.
gun means jerk. That's all. So very simple. So you have to draw the bullet first. Draw the gun. So has been bullet is fired already. Bullet is fired. So what is the mass of the gun? Let me take this is M1. M1 is equals to how much? 60 grams.
60
Velocity
grams.
is equals to 500 meter per second. Next, M2 is equals to how much? 5 kilogram. They are asking V2, recoil velocity. What is the formula? What is the formula? Diagram you have to draw.
MB into
Draw the
VB
diagram,
is
you can
equal to MG into VG.
formula. Momentum of the bullet is equals to momentum
Velocity of the bullet.
equals to what? Momentum
Velocity of the bullet.
bullet, which is equals to what it is? Momentum of gun. So what is the momentum of bullet equals to? Please tell me. M1 into V1, which is equals to momentum of gun is equals to M2 into V2. So V2 is equals to what? V2 is only called as recoil velocity. What is that?
Recoil.
Recoil velocity.
So now that is what we do. So now this is what we have to do. So mass M1 given as in grams, you have to convert it to kilograms. So that is how to do it. So how to convert it? Mass M1. So M1 is equals to they have given 60 grams. V1 is
60
equal to
into 1 by 1000.
meter per second. Next M2 is equals to 5 kilogram. They are asking V2 is equals to how much? That's all. So M1 how much? M1 convert into kilogram. 60 grams, which is equals to 60 into 1 by 1000 kilogram. So 0 will get cancelled, which is equals to 6 by 100 kilogram.
0.06, sir.
06.
0.06 kilogram. Any doubt, anything, ask me please. Directly you can go for substitution. So we know that M1 into V1, which is equals to M2 into V2. So M1 is equals to 0.06 kilogram into V1 equals to how much? 500 meter per second, which is equals to 5 kilogram into V2. Now we want V2. Who is extra here? Who is extra here? 5 kilogram. 5 kilogram here in multiplication will come this side.
Division.
Division.
So into 500 meter per second divided by 5 kilogram, which is equals to V2. Do you understand, Darun? So now kilogram will get cancelled. 5 ones are 500s are. Just imagine 500s are. Correct or not? So now finally, which is equals to how much? 0.06 into 100 meter per second. So what is the jerking velocity? Please let me know. What is the recoil velocity? 0.06 into 100. 2 digits.
6 meter per second.
6 meter
6 meter per second, sir.
equals to V2. So V2 is equals to 6 meter per second. This is what we should call as recoil velocity of the gun. So final statement what we can write? Thus the recoil velocity.
Recoil velocity occurred by free.
The recoil velocity of gun is 6 meter per second. That's all. Do you understand it? Yes or no? Everybody.
Yes, sir.
Darun, very simple. It is. That's
Yes,
all.
sir.
Always. Monish, Yura. Monish, you understand? What, Ray, Monish?
Sir.
You understand or not?
Yes, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Okay, do it. If you understand really, it is good.